This lesson is about the value of each digit in a number up to 10 million. Firstly, we need to learn the difference between a digit and a number. This whole thing is a number. 4,527,852. These are the individual digits, 4, 5, 2, etc. Their place in the number tells you their worth. So the place value all depends on what column they're in. So starting from the right hand side, we have units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s and millions. In this example, the 4 is in the millions column, so its value is 4 million. The 7 is in the thousands column, so its value is 7,000.